Hi everybody, as you can see I got found this bug here. Apparently it's some kind of cicada, and never seen one like this before. And it says that, I looked it up, said some kind of a grass cicada or something. I've never seen one like this before. Very interesting looking. I know I'm holding by its wing, but it's very interesting. I've never seen one like this. Very interesting. There'll be a lot of likes on this video from this looking at this cool guy or girl. So feel free to look at it, look at the video of it, and peace out.